see at the back, is 3.5 coils. Can you see clearly? And when it moves in that, you see, in the same way the Kundalini moves parallelly. The whole universe moves in a spiral way. I don't know if the scientists know this or not, but it moves in a spiral way. This is what is the spiral, and when you blow into it, it makes a sound. See, oh, as they say. Uma. 3 words are there. That is Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati. I'm sorry, Mahakali, Mahasaraswati, Mahalakshmi. Now these things, when the Kundalini also moves, she makes sound. On those sounds are based all the alphabets and consonant of the Sanskrit language. For example, here it is all of them are A, A, E, E. Like that. So this is the sound which is heard in mantras. When you say that, that's how the deities get awakened, because they know these words, you see. And every sound has a meaning.
Om Pancha Janyaya